Hello, Rhiannon.
Hello. Hi.
Where is it?
Where are we now?
Where we now?
Batu Pandang.
Yeah,
Yes.
good. Batu Pandang.
Very beautiful. Such a nice day.
Yeah,
Very lucky.
we're lucky. Where you from?
I'm from England. From Yorkshire.
York.
Yes.
England, York.
Yes.
In America, New York.
Yes, exactly. But the original York.
Are you alone travel? Travel alone?
Yes. I do lots of
Okay.
solo travel.
Okay, it's good.
Yes.
Where do you stay?
I stay in Ganendra Guest House in Dieng.
In Dieng.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Matur Suwon.
Once again.
Matur Suwon.
Sami.
Yay.